Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Drone community pays it forward to Christmas 2018. We'll have that coming right up. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! How is everyone doing? I hope you're in the spirit of the season. Here at BillTheDroneReviewer, we're definitely in the spirit of the season. I recently became friends with Art on Facebook and found out he's a fellow drone YouTube content creator. When I went to his YouTube channel, I watched the video testing props on my DJI Phantom 3 Standard. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll that clip right now.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth of
Okay, I don't know about you folks, but that stopped me in my tracks. How about you?
Yeah, me too.
Okay. It just, the dedication and willpower that Art has simply to go outside, set up his Phantom 3, and fly it left me speechless, okay? Art has mobility issues, but that doesn't stop him from going out and enjoying his favorite hobby. What I'd like to do is purchase for Art a case on wheels for the Phantom 3, 2 batteries, and 2 sets of propellers. Now, how are we going to be able to do that?
Well, Bill has set up a GoFundMe account, and the link will be in the description below.
Great. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
I'm asking the drone community to join me and pay it forward to help make the simple act of flying a drone a little easier for Art. I'm also going to drop a link in the description for his channel. Definitely subscribe. Definitely check it out. He does do some live shows. He's usually on Wednesdays. I know he's going to be on today's Saturday the 15th. He's going to be on this evening. I think he said 5 p.m. Mountain Time, which would be, I believe, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So definitely you want to check that out.
Absolutely.
If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. I normally close with, it's a great day to fly, but you know what? It's a great day to pay it forward. Take care, everybody.